Good day, folks. In this video, we're going to learn how to find out the uh, variables of a given equation using the Cramer rule. So the equation in front of me is x plus 3y minus 2z equal to minus 5. And then the next equation is 2x minus y plus 4z equal to 7 and minus 3x plus 2y minus 3z equal to minus 1. So this is the equation given to me. I wanted to find out the x, y, z value using the Cramer rule. Now, first of all, I'll convert it into the matrix form. So whatever the coefficient of x is, I'll put it in here as the first element, and the coefficient of y, I'll put it as the second element, and here as the third element minus 2. Same thing I'm going to go do for the row 2. So 2 minus 1, 4, and then minus 3, 2, and minus 3. Now I'm going to try and find out the determinant of this given matrices. So the determinant, to find out the determinant, I will first of all put 1 outside and then take minus 1, 4, 2, minus 3, and then minus 3, this one, and then take these terms 2 minus 3, 4 minus 3, and then I will take minus 2 and then take the term as 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. Now I'm going to try and simplify this given question. So 1 times this is 3, and this will be 4 times 2 is minus 8, and then minus 3, and then 3 times 2 is minus 6, and then minus, and then here it will be minus 12. And then minus 2, this will be 2 times 2 is 4, and then the next term will be uh, here minus minus plus, so again there will be a minus, and this will be 3 because minus 3 times 1 is plus 3. uh, and now this is going to give me uh, 1 times minus 5, and this will be minus 3, and minus 6 plus 12, and then minus 2, and then 4 minus 3, and the number is going to get will be minus 5 minus 3 times plus 6, and minus 2 times 1, and minus 5 times, this is minus 18 minus 2. That's going to give me final answer as minus 25. So determinant of the given matrix I got is minus 25. Now I'm going to replace all these three values with the x values to find out the x variable. So the matrix was like this one was the matrix. I'll replace this column 1 with the minus 5, 7 minus 1, then here 3 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 4 minus 3. Now we will try and simplify this given question. This will be minus 5, and then minus 1, 4, 2 minus 3, and then 3, this will be minus 3, and then 7 minus 7, oops, why can't I write it, 7 minus 1, 2, and then the third term will be minus 2, and then 7 minus 1 and 2. Now I'm going to try and simplify this one. Minus 5 times, this is going to give me plus 3 and minus 8, and then the next term will be minus 3, this will be 14, and minus plus 1, and then minus 2, and then this will be 14 minus plus 1, and now minus 5, this will be minus 5, and this is minus 3, and then this is 14 minus 1 is 13, and then minus 2, 14 minus 1 is 13 again. So let's do the math. 5 times 5 is gonna be my plus 25, and then minus 39, and then uh, this will be minus 26. So if I do the math here, it should be 25 minus, oops, 25 minus 39 minus 26, which I got the value as minus 40, and I think I might have made a mistake somewhere. I need to Again, quickly look into this one. Yes, I figured out where I made the mistake. This was 7. Let me just quickly check this. This was 7 here, and I I took 7 here. This was -1. So 3. I should have taken 7 -1 and then 4 and -3. So this is wrong. 4 and -3. So I tried to do it a little fast and made this mistake. Let me quickly see. 7 times -3 is 7 times -3 is -21, and this will be -4, and that's going to become +4 here. So +4, and now this will become 17 -17, and this is going to give me plus 51, and 51, so that's going to give me 50 as the answer, because -26 plus 25 is -1. 51 -1, which is 50. All right, so I got the number. So now I'm going to find out the x value. I'm going to take whatever determinant I got it from here, 50, and I'll divide it by the actual determinant, the initial determinant which I got, which was equal to -25. And now my value will be, x value will be -2. Now I'm going to try and find out the y values. To find out the y values, I'll change the column number 2 uh, with the uh, with the values of 5, 7, and -1. All right. So the matrix given to me was 1. I'll quickly go back and look into it. This was the given matrix: 1, 2, and -3, 1, 2, and -3, and my 3 here, -1, and 2, -2, and then 4 and -3. This was the given matrix to me. And now I'm going to replace these terms with the y values. So means with the constants. So these constants. So this will be 1, 2, -3, -2, 4, -3. They're going to remain as it is. And the middle term will be -5, and then 7, and then -1. Let me just quickly check it so that we don't make any mistake in the final answer. -2, 4, and -3, -2, 4, and -3, 1, 2, -3, 1, 2, -3. All right, and -5, 7, and -1. All right, let's try and simplify this question. So 1 times these 4. Now 7 -1, 4, and -3 here, and -5. And then I'll take 2 -3, 2 -3, 4, and -3 here, and then -2. Well, this will become minus and minus. This is -2, and then here 2 -3, 4, and -3. Not really. This is 2 -3, 7, and -1. 7 and -1. That's how it's going to look like. All right, so now simplify this. 7 times 3 is 21, -21, minus of 4, and this will become plus 5. 3 times 2 is -6, and 4 times 3 is -12, and then -2, and this will be 2 times -1 is -2, and -21. All right, now this is -21 plus 4 and plus 5 and -6 plus 12 and -2 and -2 plus 21. All right, now this is 1 outside, so 1 times this will become -17, and plus 5 times this is my plus 6, and then -2, this is going to give me plus 19, and then -17 plus 5 times 6 is 30, and this will be minus 38. All right, let's look into this math. So minus 38 plus 17, which is 50, which I got 55, minus 55 plus 30, I will get the value as minus 25, and y value will be equal to minus 25 over minus 25. This will go on top, whatever we got from here. So that y value will be equal to 1. Same thing we're gonna do for the to find out the z value. So to find out the z value, I will first of all write the matrix one more time. 1, 2, minus 3, and 3, minus 1, and 2, and then minus 2 here, 4 here, and minus 3. This was the given matrix for which I got the uh, determinant value as minus 25. Now I will replace these three terms with 1, 2, minus 3 here, and 3, minus 1, 2, and these three terms with 5, 5, 7, and minus 1. And gonna try and simplify this one, and you're gonna get certain value from here, and then you're gonna get once you get the determinant of this and divide by minus 25, you're gonna get the final value of z as z value will come out to be 3. So most probably you're going to get the minus 75 as the value once you're going to find out the determinant of this one. So you will get the z value as 3. So that's how you can simplify the given set of equations using the Cramer rule. So hopefully you were able to understand. I'll highly recommend you guys to try and do some more questions for 3 by 3 matrices. 3 by 3. You don't need to worry about 4 by 4. In exam, you will be asked a question on 3 by 3 matrix and solve it using whatever method you wanted to use it. I would suggest you to use the Cramer rule, but there is another method which is Gaussian method, if I'm not mistaken. The name, let me figure out the name. Yeah, Gauss elimination method. You can use that one also if you wanted to use. But I found this method relatively easy, and student found this method relatively easy too. So I'll highly recommend you to do some questions 3 by 3 matrix, and especially from page 475, exercise 16.5, exercise 16.5, some questions where you can form the 3 by 3 matrix. You do those questions, something like question number 9, 10, these questions, okay, and question 15, 16, these questions. And if you can do these 4 questions, I think you will be good to go for the Cramer's rule. So I'll see you with another video. Till then, goodbye.